Ahmet Baitursunov Street is located in the southeastern part of Nur-Sultan in Almaty district. The street runs from Rahimjan Kashgarbayev Avenue to Nur-Sultan railway station, crossing Tavil-Sizdik Avenue, Kasim Amanjolov and Sarikol streets. Street length is 7,200 meters. Ahmet Baitursunov is politician, poet, publicist, one of the leaders of Kazakh national liberation movement in the 20th century. Baitursunov is the founder of Kazakh linguistics and literature, reformer of national alphabet, enlightener, chairman of education committee created at the Second All-Kazakh Congress. Baitursunov Street is home for presidential park of 80 hectares, Palace of Peace and Reconciliation, and Highville apartment complex. The street also hosts Astana Nur-Sultan railway station, one of a kind in the entire post-Soviet area. Baitursunov Street hosts numerous architectural marvels. One of them is Shabit Arts Palace. Total area of the building is 24,000 square meters. The unusual circular shape of Shabit makes it eye-catching.